Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do another quick makeup look. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I want to welcome you to the family and I'm really happy to have you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button below, and let's get straight into the makeup look. So I'm gonna start with my eyes and then we just move on to the face and everything else. So we have a clean canvas right now. I'm gonna prime. This is the Le Base Pro by Lancome, and this is the pore eraser, and it is instant pore minimizing and oil free, which is very important for me. For the eyes, I'm gonna use my Anastasia brow pomade and my number 12 brush. I'm gonna speed through this process. I will come back. I'm gonna go straight in and shape the brows with my Morphe concealer. Okay, brows are looking nice and sculpted. This dries really fast, so go in quickly, y'all. As soon as you put it, try to buff that in ASAP Rocky, because she dries so fast. I go in with the brow gel and just work that in. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It's gonna be another day of colors for me. I'm gonna concentrate right here, and this is gonna be hopefully very amazing. I'm gonna go in with this very dark shade. It is a purple matte. This brush applies my shadows like a dream, and I am here for it. I'm going in all shades of purple right now. I'm gonna go in the inner corner. So these are like, I already have 3 different purple tones on here. This makeup look is gonna be way faster than I anticipated, but we don't need much. Okay, this is the Lancome Tint Idol. I have only used 1 palette so far. I am using a beauty blender and just going in. My beauty blenders are always damp, so it helps to spread the product a little better. I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier, and I'm just gonna simply go beneath with that. And set. Because I'm so oily, going with the setting powder like this and just kind of blending it into the skin actually helps my makeup stay way longer because I am so oily. So we make sure everything is set and blended. And we are. And then I go in with my all over brush and just set the rest of the face lightly. Not too heavy, just lightly. I'm gonna use this MAC Cosmetics blush. I am now using my Black Radiance contour palette because you guys know how much I love that. This just helps to sculpt the face and put a little bit of dimension back, because with the foundation you're just really one color, you know. I will use the Becca Gold Lava, a different one. This one is for Deborah because she makes fun of my Mega Glow by Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna use something a little different today. Heavy or light. This brush just like buffs everything in perfectly for the perfect blend. Right here. And that's very bright, so you can just buff it in like that. If it's too much, you can always fix it. Using my chestnut lip liner, and I'm gonna use Modesty by MAC Cosmetics. Is very light. I did not want to go dark with this. This kind of matches my earrings a little bit and I like it. Maybe we could mix her up with Men Love Mystery. I like that. Yes. I'm gonna go in with my liner by Sephora. I'm gonna use the opposite side with the blending sponge and just blend that together like that. Very nice and smoky. Right below that, with that purple shade that we use on top, and then I'm gonna just smoke it out as well with the black. For the inner corner, I'm gonna add that shimmer right here. It is beautiful and it goes with the color scheme. So I've only used one palette and all these beautiful shades. Yeah, it just ties everything together. You don't have to smoke out the lower lash like this. I like it smoked out, but you don't have to. I'm tempted to not put lashes, but I know that the lashes are gonna make a difference.
Hi, boo. Recording?
Yeah.
You're cute.
I was just like, let's do this.
I like it.
Thank
I brought
you.
food. I don't know if you need it.
Yum.
But you can have lunch for tomorrow if you don't eat it now.
Thank you, love. Cherie, she's here. You know this.
Yeah, the Valentine's purple and pink. That's pretty.
Mm-hmm. Y'all, Cherie told me I need a new wig. The hate. She is dissing me. The shade. I couldn't find what I like, so I'm using this other glue that I don't like, but it's okay. Yes, hunty. For this section, I will go in with the Seal Booster for the lashes. This is a primer, and then I will continue with the Hypnose Drama mascara and coat the lashes properly until I am satisfied with how they look. Okay guys, this is it for the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I am obsessed with how the look turned out and I think it's amazing. For the palette, I use the Beauty Creations palette, the Anna palette that I've used in a couple other videos, and I only focused on this lower area. As you can see, there are different dimensions and different shades of purple, and I am into it. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.